First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this class. See, nowadays, in this season, we get fruits, mangoes, jackfruits. It's common too. Students, I want to ask you, where you get these things? Who give you these fruits? See, simply plants, right? So it is essential to know about plants because they produce food and good oxygen. So let's learn about plants. So all of you open page number 12 in your book. Page number 12, plant facts. Choose the correct answer to complete the facts given below. First question, plants are like factories because they A part, produce or manufacture something from nothing. B, produce or manufacture something from raw material. So what is the answer? So B is answer, produce or manufacture something from raw material. The second question, the chemical process that directly or indirectly provides food and energy for all living things is first photosynthesis or B part respiration. The answer is photosynthesis. The third one, I come to you with a new thing. See the third question. The tree tambo, which grows in the dry desert of West Africa, has only 2 leaves, which split into ribbons, and unlike most other plants. See the answer, it has leaves which can absorb moisture from the air. The fourth question, photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water that gives sugar plus oxygen. Uses sunlight and chlorophyll. The fifth question, more than half of the world's oxygen is produced by phytoplankton that live in A part oceans and the B part is the air. So what's the answer? Yeah, the A part, the oceans is the answer. Oceans, A part. The sixth question, the baobab tree is known as the tree of life as it can provide shelter, clothing, food and water for the animal and human inhabitants of the African savanna region. The tree has few leaves and can store hundreds of liters of water in its bulbous trunk, which may be trapped in dry seasons. Which of these trees is a baobab? The C part is the answer. Now open page number 14. Page number 14. Burnished bronze. A part, test your knowledge about bronze by circling the right option to complete the sentences given below. First question, an artisan who works with bronze is called a bronze maker. Second one, bronzesmith. Third one, bronzewright. So what's the answer? Bronzesmith is the answer. The second question is, bronze is typically made of copper and tin, iron and tin, brass and tin. So what is the answer? Please guess. Can you guess your answer? Copper and tin is the answer. The third question, bronze is not as brittle or soft as tin. Bronze is not as brittle or soft as tin. The answer is brittle. It is not breakable. That is why. See the fourth question, A type of bronze which has a sonorous quality, capable of producing a deep or ringing sound, is called sound metal, bell metal, ring metal. The sonorous, okay. So bell metal is the answer. Fifth question. In history, the period we call the Bronze Age occurs before the Stone Age, between the Stone and Iron Ages, after the Iron Ages. Can you guess answer? Okay, the answer is between the Stone and Iron Ages. See the same page, B part. Number the descriptions given below to match the pictures of these world famous bronze sculptures. Okay, I give time, please you mark the answer. Okay, you find out, just read and find out the answer in the given small boxes. Whether it is A or B or C, you write. See, C is the answer for first question. A is the answer for second question. And the Thinger by Auguste Rodin, that is B. Okay, B is the answer for third question. Okay students, now come to page number 15, digesting facts. Page number 15. A. Choose words from the help box and complete the facts on digestion. First question. A diet does not have meat, milk or any other animal products. Can you guess answer? See, from the given words we can find out the answer. The answer is vegan. Vegan is the answer. The second question. Does spiders inject enzymes into their prey to liquefy their bodies so that they can suck them up through their straw-like mouth openings? Answer is tarantula. See the picture. So you might have found that answer. The third question. The duck eats with its head upside down to filter and strain the food from the water it takes in. The answer is flamingo. Flamingo. We can see these birds in very big lakes and very big ponds only. The next question. A duck's teeth never stop growing. So from the box we can find rodent. Okay, the answer is rodent. See how rats and squirrels eat their food. So that's why they are called rodent. Okay. See the fifth question. Mastication is another word for dash. Find out answer from the box. Okay. Chewing is the answer. Okay. Chewing is the answer. See the next question. Question number 6. We eat about 10 kg of food per year. See 500 is given in the box. So 500 is the answer. Okay, come to the seventh question. Our body produces about 1.5 liters of dash each day. See in the box it is given saliva. So saliva is the answer. Question number 8. Dash birds are the only mammals that feed entirely on blood? Find out the name of birds. The answer is vampire. Vampire. Come to the next question. 9. Baboon or stomach does. The answer is rumblings. Rumblings. Then question number 10. A herbivore that eats the leaves and shoots of trees is called a dash. Maybe the new one. Can you find out answer from the box? The answer is folivore. Folivore. See in the same page number 15, page number 15 B part. Write true or false. Think if it is possible or not first. First question. If you were to eat while hanging upside down, the food would not be able to get to your stomach. It is true or false? Let me tell the answer. It is false. Second one. Digestion starts in the stomach. True or false? The answer is false only. Third one. Food gets cooled or warmed in the mouth as we chew. True or false? It is true. Food gets cooled or warmed in the mouth as we chew. This is true, isn't it? Fourth one. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. It is true. See, the weight of a blue whale is about the weight of 30 elephants. So, the tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. It is true. Thank you, students. Students, complete the given worksheet and bring to school and submit them. Okay. Thank you.